Introducing OneQR QR codes, offering unparalleled benefits for assembly instructions, driving interaction and engagement through innovative QR code applications. Drive interaction effortlessly. Assist your customers with OneQR code links to assembly videos, PDF downloads, product registration, and more. Make every step of their assembly journey smoother and more interactive with OneQR. Prioritize the placement of your QR codes on covers and introductory pages to allow customers to begin interaction early in the assembly process. Providing crucial information right from the start ensures a seamless experience. A strong call to action is essential. Clearly communicate where the OneQR code will take them and give them a compelling reason to scan it. Whether it's accessing detailed assembly instructions, helpful tips, or product support, let them know the value they'll receive. Flexibility is key. With OneQR, you can change any QR code destination as your processes, videos, and supporting documentation evolve. Print once, update as often as you need. Good contrast is crucial. Ensure higher contrast between the OneQR code and the background to make scanning easier, especially in poor lighting conditions. Enhance accessibility and usability effortlessly. Reinforce your brand recognition. Design your OneQR code to match your brand guidelines, instilling confidence and making your product instantly recognizable. A cohesive design strengthens brand loyalty and trust. Simplify your assembly instruction manuals and enhance customer satisfaction like never before with OneQR QR codes. Get started for free today by visiting oneqr.com. Empower your brand and engage your customers with OneQR.